another episode of the Thursday 3. Again, we're back to form this week with a paver, a plant, and a product. So we're going to kick things off with our paver this week. It's actually a wallstone product, but you guys get the gist by now. This week, I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about Belgard Brookshire Wall, which is the product that you see right next to me. So this is a 3-piece wallstone kit product, and it's got this really great split face, but what we like about it, and I'll tilt this rock up, it's a little heavy, is as you can see with these holes and striations on the inside, this actually operates on a pin system, which means it's super easy to install, but like most of our favorite products, still has this great rustic finish and look. The 3-piece kit means that it comes in 3 regular sizes, which also makes it easy to install, but also means that we can do a lot of different patterns with it, whether it's something regular to give it a more formal look or random to give it an even more rustic look. We like it for retaining walls, and this actually does come with a matching cap, which means it's also great for seating walls, or if you just want to create a little bit of like a barrier within a garden. Excellent for all of those uses. So again, this is Belgard Brookshire Wall, one of our favorites, and I'm actually going to throw a shot at the end of a really great little project we did with Massio Landscape that uses it, really shows off the full extent of it. Next to me, this wiggly guy is our plant for the week. This is the Weeping Blue Atlas Cedar. Like its name suggests, it is an evergreen cedar, and it does in fact weep. It's got this great wiggly shape. It's very dramatic, it's very showy, it's got these beautiful sort of blue-green needles. So we really like this as a statement piece. This is something you're gonna put in your landscape as the showstopper. As time goes on, this can grow to about 10 feet tall, but really what it's known for is its weeping capability, which you can train a little bit to give it more of a waterfall feel, or you can let it grow naturally, in which case it'll kind of start to trail on the ground. It'll be between 15 and 20 feet wide, ultimately, depending on how you prune and train it. It likes well-draining soil. It will do better in full sun, but it does tolerate a little bit of shade. And because it's evergreen, it's really great for year-round interest. Again, this is the Weeping Blue Atlas Cedar, and it is a weird showstopper. We love it. It's really great if you've got kind of an eclectic landscape or even a more modern home. So follow me. We're going to head inside, and I'm going to tell you guys about our product this week. Okay, we are now in the shop, and I'm going to tell you guys about our product this week. This time of year, you might be starting to bring some of your outdoor plants inside if you've had any sort of like indoor-outdoor plants on the patio. And depending on how big that plant can be, that can be kind of a chore. So one of the things we have in the nursery that's actually kind of unique are these rolling plant caddies, as you can see. They have 5 wheels, which means they roll in a bunch of different directions super easily. They can carry up to 500 pounds. They come in 2 different colors, as you can see over here, kind of a terracotta and then also black, so they're super low key. And these wheels actually do lock. So this makes moving them around or rotating plants if you want one side to get a little bit more sun super easy, but also means that you can just keep these sorts of things under the pot all the time. Gives them a little extra elevation, but because those wheels lock, they'll also stay in place. So that's our product for the week, our rolling plant caddies, and thank you guys so much for being with us for another episode of the Thursday 3. Have a great week. Okay, plant caddy racing, take off.